like I'm Spike Lee. Talk to me nicely in my white tee. White tee. I might be brown underneath, but I'm wearing white right now. Actually, it's not white. It's like whitish gray. Counts, right? Oh, MDX went on. Bamboozle like I'm Spike Lee. Talk to me nicely. I've seen his face, I've seen his face. What you looking at? Dropping booty in the club cause it's too fed. Rhymed, it rhymed. It rhymed, you can't say anything. It rhymed. Illegal. Illegal. This illegal. It should be. It should be. Kakarot, you're just too damn mean for these two damn roads. You're too damn mean for these damn roads, girl. I've seen it. Trucks do not use engine brakes. Why not? Because it's a downhill and you won't be able to stop in time. So don't use it. Science. Provided by Roddy Insane. I'm a genius, alright? I'm a genius. I don't know why you guys keep thinking I'm an idiot or a douchebag or I'm cocky, I'm conceited. I don't know why you guys think of any of those things. I am a genius. I'm not even a self-proclaimed genius. I'm a world-renowned genius. A slutty genius. This car next to me is gonna blaze at me, but he's gonna blaze by looking at me as he blazes. And voila, he did. Now he's looking in his side mirror to see if I'm looking at him. I'm looking at you, man. But I'm looking at you because you an idiot. Oh, that was a hard shift. We tweaking it. We're gonna tweak. Oh, we got Poppy. I hit it. I hit it a little bit. My foot touched the. Since you're wearing boots, you can't always grip the feel. Like if there was any possible way to ride motorcycles barefooted, I'd do that, man. I'd do that. I'd ride this whole barefoot, man. Like nobody business, man. I ride this whole barefoot like nobody's business, so I can get a good grip and feel for the shifter. At that time, my boot was still kind of touching the shifter, but I didn't know, and I kind of kicked her up for neutral. But it's okay, because I knew I was coming to a light, and my body, it kind of already knew what I was going to be doing, which is going to be shifting into neutral, because it was light. Now I know what you guys say. Oh, when you're stopped in a parking lot, you got to be in first gear. You gotta have your foot down and you gotta be ready to run because somebody's gonna hit you. I understand you ride your way, I'm gonna ride mine, and I don't do that. I've seen his face, what you looking at? It's nothing against people who ride like that. I'm aware of my surroundings as much as I can be. Alright, if you guys can't tell, any shorty, alright, any pretty thing, any hoe, male or female, I catch it all. Alright? So don't worry, man. We Ketchum. Ketchup? Ketchum. Oh, is his last name Ketchum because he catches them all? If so, I just got that. I literally just got that. If that truly is the reason why his name is Ash Ketchum. Goddamn. Oh my god. How did I not get that? All this time I've been a douche. Oh my god, it's Ketchum because Ketchum. Oh. Mother effers, they just kicked the C out and put a K and tangled up the entanglement up the letters. I'm so icy, nobody, my wrist so cold, my neck so froze. I'm listening to that Gucci Man, the flip, icy. Oh Mustang, you speeding, huh? I see you, homie. You lucky we don't flip-flop them streets and I'm on your side. Otherwise, I would shove Kakarot's front tire up your booty so hard. Nah. Ooh, that's that Mustang car, right? It's like electric hybrid or some garbage like that. Only reason I say garbage is because I don't care for it. Bigger spot here, so I'll take this. And Mustang, if you blazing, I'm gonna blaze it with you. Pretty sure there's La Policia back there. Man, they're coming out with... Oh, I told you! Man! Right there! Right there, man! It wasn't behind me, it was in front of me, man! Oh my god. Oh, I love myself so much. Was that Hummer? That's like electric or something? Right? Or a Bronco that's Hummer? I don't know. Something that's electric, new thing, I don't know. I don't really vibe with it unless if it's pretty, but it don't look pretty from here. My Lego blunts to fit it when I'm out there Lego around. Yeah, it's a Hummer, but it's electric. Bloods walk to this, Crips walk to this. And I throw it up for that gangster shit. Lambo maggot, my fofo, homie. I'm like go gadget. Just look at the stuff I got on. Government issue. Let's rip through tissue. Don't take it in the wrong way. When I made 50 mil, M got paid when I made 60 mil. J got paid when I made 80 mil. Jimmy got paid, I don't even gotta rap. My life is made. Gotta rap, I'm filthy, man. I pressed something and the music stopped. I'm pretty sure I pressed something that I shouldn't have pressed. But it already happened. I don't know what I pressed. Did I press the off button? Because this stupid helmet has the buttons on the back of your helmet. Like, how the hell am I supposed to reach that and touch that with my gloves? Does that make any sense at all? No, it does not. Now my music will stop, alright? And I hate everything. I hate everything. Douche. I literally hate everything. 30 seconds, I can do this. 30 seconds, I can do this. God damn it. Son of a slut. Yeah, I shut it off. It's on now, but music ain't playing. Triple G's, homie. We gotta pull over and put the music on. I refuse to ride without music right now. Alright, I was kick flipping it with 50 cent in my ear. $50. $50. No, what did he say? 50. He said something, I don't know. I refuse to ride without music right now. Honestly. I refuse to ride with music. I require music. Alright, I require... Okay, bus! That was too close, homie! That was too damn close, homie. Ooh, Tekken Warriors. Okay, everybody, you riding too damn close. I'm laughing straight to the bank with this. Homie, I heard you got 4 lips and bleed for 7 days. It's not me saying it, it's 50. F-150. I think that's what he says. No more platinum, I'm wearing gold. Kid with the flow, brings enough dough. There's never enough dough. Shit, I need more. I'm hot, I'm cold. I'm the general, salute me, soldier. I'm trying to put my glove on, but you see this? You see this? The sweatiness. Somebody's got to design something better than this, man. Too close! Baby on board of a motorcycle. I'm laughing straight to the bank with this, homie. I'm trying to get them breeze in my me. Again, no front camera. You guys can't see the way that I'm flexing my legs. I'm making the wings come out, man. I'm making the wings come out. Flapping it, jaw clamping it. In the club, big booty, slapping it. I forgot I was a car, right? I forgot I was a car. Oh, I'm a car. No, I'm not. Ho, move, slut. Kendrick, you can't be coming in my ear with soft stuff, man. Scream it loud, proud. Porsche, Porsche. I like that Porsche better than this Porsche. But overall, all Porsches. Tell me you can't just come in my lane and go slow, man. That ain't the rule of them streets. Make a left. That's what I thought. Get out of here. Get out of here. I thought that bench was a police. La policia. Oh yeah, Kendrick, I can't hear what you're saying, but beat it in front of me, Kendrick. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Ooh, papi, papi la. I don't want to turn the lights off at night because I want to see you if you have a monster. I want to see if you got a monster. Arrested Development. I'm pretty sure I butchered the lines, but overall, that's the flow of it. All right, that's the flow of. Oh, GTR. Eat this, homie. Eat that, homie. GTR. Kick flip it up in the streets. You can't F with me. I'm a big dog. I run them hoes. I got so many blocks to my. Nobody even says block though. Who says they got a block to them anymore? You know what I want to learn how to do? Is if you're going really fast straight and then all of a sudden you got to make a sharp right turn, how do you do that safely and in a cool way where I drift or something? I want to figure out how to do that. In a car you can do it, you got 4 wheels, you drift that hoe. On a motorcycle, how do you do that? How do you do that? How do you drift in a way like that speed that I was going in and I want to make a right at that light back there? How does one do that? Push. But yeah, I'm curious, how does one do that? See, high RPM, no issue. But what about low RPM, my homie? Homie? Okay, I trust that I put this bike in neutral. I did. I'm a genius. Hey, I'm a genius!